Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 BMW X1 28i xDrive. This one's a jet black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter twin-turbo 4-cylinder with 228 horsepower. 18-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. xDrive28i badging on the side. Black interior. Panorama sunroof. X1 badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, cargo cover, memory seats, power seats, steering wheel controls, a push start ignition, our media display, rear view backup camera with sensors, our radio, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission, hard keys for our infotainment center. This BMW has 44,800 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW xDrive 28i, check out feldmanimports.com.